So our neighbor just found this little itty bitty snapping turtle in his yard, in his driveway, and he gave him to me. And he's like, yeah, it looks like he needs a drink of water. So I was like, oh, okay, well, I'll let him go at our little creek. So I put him in here, gave him a little bit of water, and he's just climbing away. He's ready to get out. So I'm gonna let him go. Here you go, little guy. Go. Come on. Here you go. Oh. There he goes. Cute little guy. Oh, he likes that. What a cutie.